Here's step-by-step guide how to convert your PDF file to Word format. So as you can see, here is my folder and here is PDF file. Now I'm gonna open my browser. After that, open new window and type in here Google Disk and tap enter. Find here personal code storage and tap on go to drive. And if you don't have Google account, don't worry, it's easy to create. And now just open folder with file, click and drag right here. After that, open it, and now I'm gonna tap on this arrow and tap on open in Google Docs. Okay, wait. So as you can see, here is my file and I can change it. So let me save it. Tap on file at the top left corner. After that, find download and Microsoft Word.docs. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this video or this playlist about Word.